An overview of the new income tax portal. Why contact FinactBooks? On 7 June 2021, the Central Board of Direct Taxes introduced a new income tax e-filing portal. The new website www.incometax.gov.in has taken the place of previous e-filing website, that is www.incometaxindiaefiling.gov.in. Taxpayers must now use the new portal to file their income tax returns and complete all other tax-related obligations. This video will provide you an overview of the homepage of new income tax portal and an in-depth look at it. What will you get on the homepage? First, click on the new website portal, that is www.incometax.gov.in. When you enter the website, you will see many tabs on the header, such as Individual HUF, Company, Non-Company, which includes AOP, BOI, Trust, AIP, Firm, LLP, Local Authority, Tax Professionals and others, which includes Chartered Accountants, External Agencies, Tax Deductors and Collectors. All the tabs you are seeing are specified as per status of person, along with downloads and the help section. You can also see that there are 4 banner ads running over the screen, which includes a guided tour of the new portal e-filing 2.0, profile updation, submission of grievances and file your ITR. If you come down a little bit on the home page, you will see the Our Services section, which includes the following: e-verification of your income tax return, Aadhaar linking with PAN number, status check of linking Aadhaar with PAN, e-paying of pending taxes online, track status of e-filed income tax return, PAN verification, know about tax deductors, tax information. When you click the Show More option, you will see the other services such as Authenticate if you have received any order or notice from the IT department. Know your assessing officer, information about the assessing officer. Instant e-PAN, you can apply for the new PAN number or update your PAN number. Check TDS rate on cash withdrawal under section 194N. Verify pending service. If you come in the individual tab and click on salaried employee in the header section, you will get several options where you can find guidance to the following: filing tax return, information about which returns, forms applicable to you, information about tax slabs as per age group, information about deductions which you can claim, updating the profile details, assisted filing and downloads. You'll also find all these same features for other persons such as business owners, senior, super senior citizens, non-residents and HUF. The same goes for other tabs like company, non-company, tax professionals and others. You can also change the theme of new income tax portal by clicking the circle near the login and register tab. I hope this video might help you understand the new features of the income tax portal that are highlighted on the home page. Please post your queries, comments below this video and subscribe to our channel for regular updates. You can also call us at 8800-221252 or email us at info@finactbooks.com. Thank you.